Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I will tell you that AI will take human jobs. ChatGPT replaces humans in US companies. US companies use ChatGPT for a range of purposes. Sam Altman, the founder of ChatGPT and CEO of OpenAI, has already warned users against relying on the AI chatbot. Microsoft-owned ChatGPT has begun to replace humans in the workplace, as some US companies have already deployed the AI chatbot to do the work which were earlier done by workers, further saving thousands of dollars, showed a survey. According to a survey done by job advice platform resumebuilder.com on 1,000 business leaders, almost half of US companies which were part of the survey have already implemented ChatGPT, and as a result, it has replaced workers at their companies. There is a lot of excitement regarding the use of ChatGPT, resumebuilder.com's chief career advisor Stacey Haller said in a statement. Since this new technology is just ramping up in the workplace, workers need to surely be thinking of how it may affect the responsibilities of their current job. The results of this survey shows that employers are looking to streamline some job responsibilities using ChatGPT. American companies use ChatGPT for a range of purposes: 66% for writing code, 58% for creating prose and content, 57% for customer service, and 52% for meeting summaries and other papers, the survey showed. Overall, most business leaders are impressed by ChatGPT's work, resumebuilder.com stated. 55% say the quality of work produced by ChatGPT is excellent, while 34% say it's very good. This comes at a time when Sam Altman, the founder of ChatGPT and CEO of OpenAI, has already warned users against relying on the AI chatbot for anything important. Altman had also expressed worry about the risks posed by artificial intelligence. Cut to India, the homegrown companies like TCS have already said that generative artificial intelligence platforms like ChatGPT will make an AI coworker and not lead to job losses. Generative AI will be a coworker. It will be a coworker, and that coworker will take time for them to understand the context of the customer, Milind Lakkad, the Chief Human Resources Officer (CHRO) of TCS, said in an interview with news agency PTI recently. Lakkad further added that the context for a job to be carried out will be industry and customer centric and will continue to emanate from the person who is receiving assistance from such a coworker. Also read, ChatGPT helps company recover 90 lakh rupees from a client who ghosted them over payment. Thanks for watching video A. Would you like the video? Subscribe us for more knowledge video.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.